welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, kindly do me a favor to hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that anytime I put out an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. And please, if you are using this mobile strategy I normally post on my channel, kindly know that you are scalping the market, except you have knowledge about the fundamental analysis talking about price movement. That is when you can hold trade for a bit longer. So today I'm just going to teach you guys a particular strategy you can use in scalping the market. This strategy has to do with trend and then breakout. So when you see the trend, you'll be able to identify if you are to be looking for opportunity to buy, or probably you are looking for opportunity to sell. Is that clear, guys? There's a possibility that I'm going to make part 2 of this very strategy. So but this one I just want to show you because I've tested it and it has been working so fine. So I just feel like let me give it out to you guys today. So before I give you the settings, please, for those of you who are asking about the strategy I use, talking about the software strategy, I recently updated it, so that is why I've not posted the update on my channel due to some reasons. So but if you want information about how it works and how you can apply the strategy on a daily basis and make money, then WhatsApp me on my text, message me via WhatsApp so that you can get it, because it will be very very unfair that you have been trading and yet you are losing consistently, whereas there is a way out to make this money, probably weekly or daily depending on the strategy you want to use it for. So that being said, let's get into today's activity. So this strategy, we are going to be having 3 moving average in the main chart, while we have just one window, which is the CCI. Like I do tell you guys that CCI is a powerful trend detector, but you can't use it in isolation. That is just the truth. You can't use CCI in isolation. You have to have other strategy in place, or probably other moving average or any other indicator setup that's going to assist you. And this strategy will work both on Forex and on synthetic. In fact, for every stock or current pairs, you can use it on it. So first thing first, if you are looking for opportunity to buy, here are the conditions. Whenever you notice there's this is on a jump index, so please just bear with me. Whenever you notice okay, this green line is the moving average 100, while the brown line is the moving average 11, then the black line is moving average 200. So whenever the moving average 100, which is the green line, crosses above the 200, now the moving average 11, which is the brown one, now serves as trend line. What you notice is that price will touch it and it will bounce back, price will touch it and it will bounce back. So these are probably time you should be looking for buying opportunities in the market. Is that clear? But you won't only use it in isolation like that. You always wait for your CCI to cross above the level 0. So when your CCI is above level 0, that is when you take buy entries. Don't forget that at this point you want to see your moving average 100 crossed above moving average 200, like what we have here. It's not necessarily when it cross. If it's even above, probably maybe you notice it's been above for a long while. So all you do is you just wait for opportunity to buy. I'm not saying lower time frame. You should use it on a higher time frame. Probably you check your daily time frame, your 4-hour time frame, where is the trend. So if the trend on the daily time frame is buy, you only come to lower time frame and look for opportunity to buy. That is all. Then when it's below if moving average 100 is below 200, then you always look for opportunity to sell. Is that clear? Because if moving average 100 is above 200, probably the moving average 11 will also be below them. Is that clear? So you always look for opportunity to sell at that point. Any pair, any currency, doesn't matter if it is on synthetic or on Forex. Is that clear, guys? So that is, I think this one will help you a lot for those of you who take trade wrongly. Probably if price is at the top, if price is buying and you are always going to sell, you notice that it won't favor you. It won't favor you. I have tried it a couple of times whereby using other breakout blogs, other blog that is using the POI. For those of you who have the strategy in place, that is the, what is it called, the software strategy. Whenever I even use my POI to take trade, probably I'm trying to take sell trade, I usually notice the sell doesn't go well. And this is the reason, because if you have this strategy in place, this mobile strategy, or you have knowledge of what price do, or you can what is it called, of how you can use the trend, definitely you will identify that at such point, when your higher time frame is bullish, it will be difficult for you to take sell trade and successfully get to area of interest in your lower time frame. So whenever your higher time frame is bullish, what you should be doing is you come to lower time frame to look for a bullish opportunity. That means a buying opportunity. Then when your lower time frame, your higher time frame is bearish, then you come to lower time frame to look for a selling opportunity. This is how we follow the trend. So whenever you are trading against the trend, you find it difficult to make profit. So this is one secret I'm sharing with you guys today. So please take note, be it on Forex or synthetic indices. For those of you who love scalping, so this is opportunity you should be worth taking sell opportunity. Now let's go back to the current trade I am trading. I am on this uh, synthetic indices. Now some of you will be asking, why did I took this sell trade? Remember I told you that we should also do what? Take breakout. That is breakout. Now if you notice properly, those of you who understand trend, you should know that this trend has already break below. And what is the, how are you going to know? Immediately you notice your moving average 11 crossing below moving average 100 and 200, then it is indicating that price has broken out from what? From the buy. This is on 15 minutes, so I'm using it to scalp. You can see immediately the breakout, I took trade immediately because there was a breakout, a mini breakout, and there was a retest. Look at it here. This red candle was the one that broke out of the structure. You see, notice that the bullish candle couldn't close above the 200, rather it closed below it. And the next candle was a very long candle, which is an engulfing candle, indicating that there is a pressure for what? For sell. So this is how we use it. And in line again, you can see that our CCI is below the level 0. So this is, I'm using this particular one for breakout. Then when you want to take a full trend, you make sure you see your 100 cross below your 200. Then that is when you take trades. Probably your price trend can be on bullish in higher time frame, then you can get bearish opportunity on lower time frame. So it's very possible that is breakout opportunity in lower time frame. So whichever one you back test and you understand properly, you can add it to your trading format. Is that clear, guys? So like I said, you can test this on any pair. It doesn't matter, be it Forex or synthetic indices. So now let me show you the settings, then probably look for a currency pair and show you how you can also use it on it. Now when you click on this icon here at the top, this icon, it will take you to where the indicators are. So let's go there. When we go there, you notice that I've already told you that in the main chart we have moving average 11 exponential, moving average 100 exponential, and then moving average 200 exponential as well. Then in the one we have the CCI period 34, that is all, the level should be 0, 0. Then click save. So when you click save, everything will look exactly like this. Alright, for those of you who love trading gold, I'm going to show you the setup on gold also. You can see now that here on gold, on the daily time frame, price has been bullish. Can you see, guys? Price has been seriously on uptrend. So now when we go to probably 4-hour time frame, price is also what? Bullish on 4-hour time frame. So what you should be seeking for is opportunity to what? Buy. Is that clear? What you should be seeking for is opportunity to buy, because price is above the level 100 and level 200 at the same time on the 4-hour time frame. Is that clear, guys? But let me show you one thing. Supposing, for instance, you notice something similar like this, maybe in another frame, another time frame. It can be on currency pair, it can be any pair. Immediately you see this breakout, probably price crossing 100 moving average, but price was bullish. But the distance between the the moving average 100 and moving average 200 is as bold or wide as this. Then you can easily go to lower time frame, look for opportunity to sell. Then your target for stop loss should be at the level 200, just like what we have here. You notice immediately price got to level 200, it started what? It started buying immediately. And when you are doing so, also notice that price should be below the CCI 0 level. That means the CCI should be below 0 level. So this is a good confirmation for you to be looking for sell opportunity on lower time frame. This can happen on any pair. Exactly, guys. So when you notice such, you can usually leverage on it. Then immediately we have bullish setup where you see price crossing above your 100 and your 200. Then you should be looking for only buy opportunity in your lower time frame. So that is that. Let me check for another pair. Okay, on the EURUSD, price has been bearish for days. Price has been bearish for days backward, probably for some days where we have price below the 200. Now we notice that price is trying to do what? Price is trying to what? Start buying. Can you see it? Price is trying to start buying. Now on a lower time frame, immediately you notice this buy move, you only go to lower time frame and look for buying opportunity, because you always start looking for buy opportunity when your CCI is above this. Is that clear? Your CCI should be above, and it should also be above. Price should start closing above your moving average 11, because it is the one indicating that there is more momentum for up than down. Is that clear, guys? So then if it is on a lower time frame, those of you who love taking the daily trades, you can come to 4 hours and look for another setup. You can see it. So as it is now, you'll be looking for setup, or probably you wait for price to break below before you start to take trade, because trading is all about planning. If you're not comfortable with this buy, you definitely wait for price to break below the level 200 or 100 before you start looking for sell opportunity. So always make sure that you have a rhyme movement in price, and when you come to lower time frame, there's opportunity to scalp when you have a breakout. Exactly, guys, when you have a breakout. And remember that on the currency pair, you need to be familiar with the economic calendar, so that you don't go and take trades when there's going to be high impact news, so that you don't get affected along the line. So that being said, I think that brings us to the end of this very video. Please like, share, and also comment opinion on it. And don't forget, if you want a very accurate setup, probably you are new into Forex and you are finding it difficult, then watch out for the billionaire strategy, because I update it as time goes on. So I recently updated it. I'm waiting for the outcome. If the outcome is not suitable, as time goes on, I'll keep updating it, so that those who are using it will not find it difficult to use, and definitely they should be able to make more money with it. Shares and have a nice day. Thanks for watching.